Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Alan Dean. Getting ready to unbox the brand new Plunge Chill Pro. Let's do it. Travel bag, backpack style. This thing's freaking sweet. I'll be able to take it with me wherever I go. This is the lid. Silica gel packet. Plastic clip protector styrofoams. This thing feels really solid, like super solid. Alright, we got a little container here. This has got, I'm assuming, some sort of a wrench, a repair patch, and a couple extra washers. Comes with its own pump, so we can inflate this thing on the go. We got the supplies to do it. Super nice stand-up pump. Inflation tube. These are the valve switches for the intake, outtake, and of course, directions. Shout out to Plunge Chill for sending me this cold plunge. I'm super excited. All right, here's the actual tub. Before I unstrap this thing, I'm gonna put everything in this backpack and see how it fits so I can know what I need to do for the future when I go to travel. Put the lid in first. Put the tub in. All right, look at that. Freaking plenty of room. Gonna be able to put the pump in here too. Look at that. Plenty of room with room to spare. Entire cold plunge setup in the travel bag. Let's try this thing on. Can't forget the directions. Heck yeah, easy peasy. Ready to go on the road with my cold plunge tub. Woo! All right, now we're gonna open up the chiller. Got a box in a box, really well packaged, if I do say so myself. Here's the contents of the box. First off, we got the Plunge Chill water chiller manual. We got the circulation pump, valves, different valve pieces, some plumber's tape, power cord, super secure styrofoam, chiller, insulated water hoses. And here is the chiller. And there's the front logo, controls. Back, we got the out water on the top, the in water on the bottom, power switch, couple cooling fans, and a filter built in. Freaking sweet. All right, first things first, let's get this lid. Take this piece here, we're gonna insert it right in here, give it a little twist, and she locks into place. All right, got the lid all blown up. Disconnect that, reconnect the seal. Yeah. All right, got a nice wrap strap here. Keep it nice and tight. More protective covers on all the plastic here, on the clips and the buckles and the water valves. Man, this material is really high quality. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew the inflation spot here in the back, reconnect this tube, and just a quick little heads up, it's got a really nice little rubber seal here, so when you twist this into place, it locks in, it's airtight. All right, let's give it some pumps, huh? Whew, all right, smooth disconnect there. All right, there we go. Full product unboxing in less than 20 minutes. The whole shebang. All right, there she is. Really excited to get this thing hooked up and tested out. We're here back the next day, getting ready to set up the chiller to the cold plunger. So I want to bring you guys along and show you what we do and how we do it. Well, first things first, we'll disconnect the valve covers. Alright, here's the box with the in and out hoses. These are the sides that connect to the actual chiller. Quick disconnects. Just kind of compress that hose a little bit to get that sticking out. Here's the bag with the little turnpipe valves. And then we've got a couple of rubber O-rings and our attachment pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to slip the O-ring right over that. Do that for both of these here. And then we're going to screw this into here. Same thing on this one. I'm going to go grab a wrench to tighten this up real quick. Alright, you don't want to super over tighten these, but you definitely don't want them to be loose. So we're going to just kind of hand tight. There we go. Now we're going to screw these onto here. There's already a little rubber washer there. Came with replacements as well. There we go. Alright, so right now the valves are open. I'm going to just close them. For this setup, we're not going to need the pump because the chiller has a built-in pump automatically. Just in case you're wondering too, it came with extra valves. Alright, easy. Move that back into place. Let's go get the chiller. Looks like we gotta take these cotter pins off here. Let's just slip right in here like this. Locks them into place. Much easier to do this when they're not already locked in, huh? Live and learn. We'll do that on the next one. So go ahead and take these cotter pins off real quick. Alright, let's go get the power cord. Boom shakalaka. Now we just gotta fill it up with water and we're good to go.
You're killing it. All right. Feel good about it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
You. All right, you guys just got to witness me trying out the Plunge Chill Pro with the chiller for the first time ever. It was a fantastic experience. The cold plunge was great. Overall, I'm really happy. It's made of a very high quality material and is plenty sturdy. It was able to hold my weight when I jumped into the tub. Super comfortable inside, plenty of room to move around. Could easily fit 2 people in there very comfortably. I definitely recommend looking into Plunge Chill if you're looking to get into cold plunging. This is a great affordable option. It's a piece of cake to set up and tear down. You can even travel with it if you'd like. Make sure to check out plungechill.com for more info. Check out the description below for a discount code. Save 10% off any purchase from plungechill.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. Until next time, I love you. Get out there and make today an amazing day, my friends. Peace out.